Hi, Joe here with AJ Innovative Interiors. In this video, I'm going to show you how to assemble wall cabinet. This is a European style cabinet and has a very nice recessed bottom where once the doors are installed, you don't have to install handles. Applying glue on the top panel, a bit of glue on each side, and then installing the screws. It will add extra strength to hold the step by step as I'm showing you here. I'm using nailer to make sure that dimensions are correct on the bottom and on top in order to receive that final panel for the bottom. Just watch the video and follow the steps. Now is the time to install the bottom panel. Just simply put it in. Once you put that panel in, inside you just measure 2 inches by 2 inches from the front, 2 inches by 2 inches from the back, and mark it with your pencil. And just use self-drilling screws that are included with the cabinet. It's 1.25 inch screws, square head. And then if the cabinet is larger than 24 inches and the panel is large, you just add screws in the middle as well. Just 2 by 2 from the front, from the back, and measure center, and then add 2 more screws for the larger panels. Now it's the time for the hinge plates to be installed. Same thing, just arrows facing out, and then nailers. With the nailers, I recommend applying glue on the back of the nailer and on the sides of the nailer, each top and bottom, to add extra strength to the cabinet. Final step, you install the shelf pins and adjust the shelves to the height you need. Thank you for watching the video. Enjoy your cabinets.